Sup, Squirtle? Sup? Why is it dark outside? Yeah, why is it dark outside? Squirtle. What? Jeez. Okay, I don't know. It's probably like really stormy. Duh. Okay, that's cool. No, it's not cool. How are we gonna go outside, bro? Are you stupid? No, I'm not stupid. My name is Shane. No, it's not. Yeah, I know. I was just joking around. What are we gonna do then? I don't know. You ask me, genius. Okay, stupid. Okay, Farchel. Sticks. Oh, gosh, I forgot about that. But actually, what are we gonna do? I don't... Oh, donkey. John Cena, what are you doing here? Oh, there's like this big circle thing that goes around and around and steals everything. And it stole my whole entire house. You don't have a house. Oh, okay, donkey. I don't care if I don't have a house. So it doesn't matter. I'm going to sleep right here. Oh, that wouldn't be necessary. Yes, it would. Yay! Okay, but seriously, what are you doing here? Donkey, there is like this big... Yeah, we get it. There's probably like a tornado. Speaking of tornado, I want to eat some tomato. Oh. Did you guys have more room? What are you guys doing here? Oh, I'll just go over here. Pikachu! Oh, let's just put you over here. Hey, no, yeah, yes. Pikachu, like, where are you gonna sleep? I don't know. Sleep on here. Now, what are you guys doing here? What do you think? There's a tornado, and you have like the best house in here. Well, thanks, but no thanks. What do you mean? You keep touching. Boring. Hey, only I say that. Come on, Mr. Shark. Let's put them in a bed. See? You guys don't even fit. Oh yeah, I forgot to close the window. I'm gonna go close it. What? Wait, he didn't close the window? Donkey? Did he forget to close the window? Okay, I'm getting the window. Oh no, donkey. I get sleepy on too. Donkey! Ah! Okay, guys, I'm back. Pikachu, where is everyone? What did you do? I didn't do anything. Where is Squirtle? I have no idea. Mr. Sharky? Where is everybody? Pikachu, what did you do to them? Oh, well, I found Mr. Poopy. Are you okay? Okay, let's put this on it. Okay. I'm a doctor. You might want to get out of here. Oh, okay. Hoo. I'm gonna have to take his heart out. Donkeys! Oh, my head. Are you okay? Not Donkey. John Cena? Yes, Donkey and no Donkey. What's up, guys? Oh, did you see that tornado? Oh, no, I was just getting the window. I shut it. What about the other window? Oh, no, I did not do that one. You're dumb. Oh, are you okay, John Cena? Guys, we gotta go in low shelter. Follow me. Guys, I'll just wait here. Oh, it's been 2 hours. Okay, Donkey, let's go. Okay, come on, guys. Guys, follow me. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, I'm taking the pillow. Oh, okay, donkey. Oh, my head. Ha, Pikachu. Ha, I haven't even jumped yet. Ha! Oh. What just happened? Okay. Guys, come on. Okay, I'm here. Oh, what's up, guys? Oh, I'll go get the others to follow us. Oh, donkey, I'm asleep right here. I'll just sleep somewhere else. Yeah, I'm with Mr. Bear. I guess we all have to separate somewhere. We can't all be in the same place. I'm gonna take the blanket and come with them. Second thought, donkey. I'm just gonna fart and wherever I go. Yeah. Oh, this blanket's a little too big. Yeah. 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 Okay, guys. Mr. Bear? Oh, yeah. I'm gonna be sleeping on the shoes. I was gonna call dibs on that. I'll just go get the slides. I'll get this slide. And I'll get this slide. Good night. Good night. Good night. Whoa! Oh, donkey. So, what am I gonna do? Yeah. I'll just sleep right here. Guys, where am I gonna go? It's super hot in here. Ah! What was that noise? Oh, why'd you wake me up? I didn't. Well, why am I awake? I didn't mean to. Okay then. Go back to sleep. I'm gonna go check out what that noise was. I have a great idea. Seriously, Shane? What are you doing? Oh yeah, I'm just fixing this nice and smooth wood. Okay, well, could you keep it down? Yeah, I'll keep it down. Oh, what a nice... Oh, that was a soft landing. Yeah, not for me. Oh, yeah. Let me just wake Mr. Sharky up. Oh, God, I'm awake, I'm awake. You're crazy. Oh, no, he's staring at the walls again. No, I'm not. Okay, jeez, I'm awake. Let's go wake the others, okay. Oh, I'll just go follow them. Are you okay? Oh, yeah. Well, I'm out of here. I gotta go to work. Pikachu! What am I gonna do? By myself in the dark and... Wake up! Okay, jeez. I'm awake. I was awake before you hurt me. Now I'm gonna go to sleep. Wake up. What? The tornado's done. It is? Nah, I don't even know. Oh, let's get the pillows and stuff. Where's Mr. Sharky? Oh, well, but let's go. Oh, my head. Are you okay, Squirrel? Yeah, I'm okay. Oh, that hurts. Squirrel, would you mind? What? I'll just go. I'll go check on him. Never mind. Pikachu! Are you okay? Oh, yeah. Why would you wake me up? What do you mean? Why are you guys up here? I don't know. I flew up here. Really? No, I zapped up here. I just didn't mean to. Why does your voice sound like that? Because it's the morning. I always sound like this. Oh. Well, let me slap you. Wait, no. Oh, that's nasty. I'm already blue enough. Your spit's even more blue. Oh, well, thanks for helping me, but still, you should not do that. Well, then you should not spit on me. Yeah, I spit on you for that reason. What reason? Well, so I can hug you? Boring. Hey, only I can say that. I know. What is he doing? I don't know. You mean John Cena? I don't know who's he. Well, when I said he, I meant John Cena. Oh, okay. So you're being stupid. Yes. Totally. Oh, you just proved that you're stupid. Let's just wake him up. Okay. John Cena? Oh, donkey. I had the worst nightmare ever. Thought there was a tornado. Well, there actually is a tornado. Hey, stop copying me. Yeah. Huh? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, the tornado is... Oh, that was a soft landing. Yeah, but now we're stuck down here because of you, stupid. Because of you, stupid. Now I'm stuck here with myself. I got my water pouch. I'm not fooling around. What are we gonna do now, genius? Thanks for calling me genius, by the way. I don't know, Mr. Smarty Pants. Hey, you called me Smarty Pants thing. But anyways, finish your conversation. I don't have anything else to say. Okay, well, Pikachu! Hey, wait for... It's not like anything else is gonna happen. I'm all alone. This is annoying. I'm stuck here by myself. Oh, it's like I hear Pikachu or Squirtle or Mr. Poop. Hello? Who's making those noises? Squirrel, what were you doing under my pillow? Were you there the whole time? Oh, he's not breathing. You saved my life, Mr. Bear. Well, you also ruined it, too. Yeah. Let me just move the pillow. So as you were saying, Squirtle? Squirtle. What? Are you okay? Yeah, I'm stuck here. Well, at least we're stuck here down together. Yeah, I guess so. What's that? What? Yeah, I'm just messing with you. I'm all alone. What do I do? Oh, I can't wait to do this to you. Kill me, I don't care. Good, Mr. Bear. Now I'm gonna get the other guy. Who are you? It's me, Shane, the one that you always bully. Well, guess who's bullied now? And actually, that was not a tornado. Guess what it was? A storm, and I used a fan to make it look like a tornado. Why would you do it to my friends and not me? Nice thinking. I'll just do it to you first. Why are you still staring at me? 'Cause I can. Ah! Oh, what's up, Squirtle? There's no time to mess around, guys. I gotta untie you guys. Hey, no! Ah. Save your guys' self. Ah. Oh. Guys, are you guys okay? Yeah. Oh, let me get this off. Yeah. Oh, guys, speak to me. Oh, thanks. You can go home. Oh, okay. Oh, wait, my home's this way. Ah! Oh, John's saying. I got you guys. Oh, donkey. Hey, stupid. Oh, donkey, did you call me stupid? Yeah, donkey, don't mess with me. Well, I guess I'm gonna go have to get them, donkey. Donkey? Oh, I'm just gonna go to work. Okay, donkey, you do that. Donkey, aren't you going the wrong way? Yeah, I'll just zap my way there. Oh, okay, donkey, bye. Bye. Oh, donkey, are you guys okay? Yeah. Okay, guys, let's go. Actually, you can stay here because this is your home. And I'll just go home. Wait, where's Mr. Sharky? Oh, don't worry about that. He's probably fine. Yeah, come on. And I'll just stay right here. Hey, this is my home spot. Okay, donkey. And I'll just go home. Yay, everything's back to normal. Oh, wait. What about Mr. Sharky? Mr. Sharky!